A minimalist kitchen is more than just a design choice. It is a lifestyle of intentionality. However, even the most beautifully curated space, with its clean lines, hidden storage, and clutter-free countertops, can lose its magic if it's covered in a layer of grease or morning coffee spills. The beauty of minimalism is that cleaning should, in theory, be easier. With fewer items to move and less stuff to manage, your maintenance routine can be transformed from a weekend chore into a series of quick, satisfying habits. Here is how to keep your kitchen spotless using simple, effective, and minimalist-approved hacks. 1. The clean-as-you-go golden rule. The most powerful tool in a minimalist cleaning kit isn't a spray, it's a mindset. In a small or streamlined kitchen, dishes pile up visually much faster than in a cluttered one. The 30-second rule. If a task takes less than 30 seconds, like rinsing a bowl or wiping a small spill, do it immediately. The transition habit. While your coffee is brewing or your pasta is boiling, use those few minutes to empty the dishwasher or wipe down the sink. By the time you sit down to eat, the kitchen is already halfway clean. 2. Streamline your cleaning solutions. You don't need a cupboard full of neon-colored plastic bottles for every specific surface. Minimalism is about multi-purpose efficiency. You can clean 90% of your kitchen with just 3 ingredients: white vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. The all-purpose power mix. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a glass spray bottle with a few drops of essential oil, lemon, or eucalyptus. This works on countertops, cabinet faces, and the exterior of appliances. The natural degreaser. For stubborn stovetop grease, sprinkle baking soda over the area, followed by a squeeze of lemon juice. Let it fizz for 5 minutes, then wipe away. No harsh chemicals required. 3. Master the sink, the heart of the kitchen. A shiny sink makes the entire room look clean. In minimalist design, the sink is often a focal point. The nightly reset. At the end of the day, ensure the sink is completely empty and wiped dry. Water spots can make stainless steel or composite stone look dull. Garbage disposal refresh. Drop a few leftover lemon peels into the disposal and run it with cold water. It cleans the blades and leaves a natural, crisp scent that synthetic air fresheners can't match. 4. Optimize your surfaces. Minimalist kitchens often feature beautiful materials like quartz, marble, or polished wood. To keep them spotless without effort, clear the counters. The flat surface rule states that any flat surface will naturally attract clutter. Keep only the absolute essentials, like a high-end coffee maker or a single bowl of fruit, on the counter. Fewer items mean you can wipe the entire surface in one smooth motion. Microfiber magic. Ditch the paper towels. High-quality microfiber cloths trap dust and grease much more effectively and can be tossed in the wash, supporting a zero-waste minimalist lifestyle. 5. The steam hack for appliances. Cleaning the microwave or oven is usually the most dreaded task. Let physics do the work for you. Microwave steam clean. Place a bowl of water with lemon slices inside the microwave. Heat it for 3 minutes and let it sit, don't open the door, for another 5. The steam will loosen every bit of stuck-on food, allowing you to wipe it clean with a single pass of a cloth. The oven barrier. If you're roasting something that might splatter, use a lid or a parchment paper tent. Prevention is the ultimate cleaning hack. 6. Managing the hidden clutter. Minimalist kitchens look clean because the mess is hidden, but that doesn't mean your drawers should be a disaster zone. The one-in, one-out rule. For every new kitchen tool you buy, donate or recycle one you no longer use. The quarterly edit. Every 3 months, open your junk drawer or pantry. Wipe down the shelves and remove anything expired or unused. A clean interior makes the exterior feel lighter. 7. Floor maintenance without the fuss. In an open-plan minimalist home, kitchen crumbs have a way of traveling to the living room. Zone cleaning. Keep a small, stylish handheld vacuum or a slim broom hidden nearby. Spending 2 minutes sweeping the high-traffic zone under the stove and island each evening prevents the need for a deep scrub later in the week. Why minimalist cleaning works. The goal isn't perfection, it's peace. When your kitchen is spotless, your mind feels clearer. You aren't distracted by visual noise or the guilt of a dirty stove. By using natural cleaners and maintaining a little and often approach, you reclaim your time. A minimalist kitchen should serve you, not the other way around. By implementing these easy hacks, you ensure that your cooking space remains a sanctuary of health and creativity. 8. The psychology of the empty countertop. In a minimalist kitchen, the countertop is your primary canvas for both cooking and visual calm. Most people treat their counters as storage for toasters, spice racks, and knife blocks, but a true minimalist hack is to store these items inside deep drawers or appliance garages. When your surfaces are truly clear, cleaning becomes a 10-second sweep rather than a 10-minute obstacle course of lifting and moving heavy objects. This psychological shift is profound. Because the barrier to cleaning is removed, you are significantly more likely to wipe down the area after every use, preventing the buildup of invisible films of dust and grease that eventually become difficult to scrub. 9. Ritualizing the kitchen closing. To maintain a spotless home without it feeling like a burden, try ritualizing your evening kitchen closing. Just as a professional chef performs a mise en place for cleaning at the end of a shift, spend 5 minutes before bed resetting your space. This includes putting away the drying rack, giving the stovetop a final spritz of your vinegar solution, and hanging a fresh, dry hand towel. There is a unique joy in walking into a pristine, sunlit kitchen the next morning to make your first cup of coffee. By treating cleaning as a final act of gratitude for your home rather than a grueling chore, you sustain the minimalist aesthetic with ease and grace, ensuring your kitchen remains the serene heart of your house.